GM and welcome to a new video. This is part 21 of the abstract series. I'm traveling, so I don't have the camera on and the sound might not be as good as usually, but there's a new Flash badge and I wanted to give you a quick introduction on how to get this one. So let's go. You can see I'm in the rewards section of the abstract global wallet or of the abstract portal. The Black Star badge is a new Flash badge. This badge is awarded to those who mint a ticket to view still a Black Star. So let's click on view details, mint a ticket to view still a Black Star. Let's go through it really quick. Let's click on go to app. Then we can see we are on millieandfriends.com. As always, all the links are down in the description. If you don't know how to set up the abstract global wallet, the portal, I got a video linked up here and also a complete series with weekly updates on abstract. Now, as you can see here, this is a film about Millie and friends. In Ghana, communities bear the weight of the world's e-waste. Mago Nagasaka, one of Japan's leading artists, uses his art to change that. Having created 10 plus businesses, a recycling factory, poultry farm, Mago art and study for children, coffee and morning tea farm. What you want to do now is click on connect to see, and a pop-up opens up to connect your abstract global wallet. If this doesn't show up, make sure to check up here if your browser is blocking the pop-up. You can click on approve. Then here we are. Millie and Friends was designed to show you how art is tackling e-waste problem in Ghana. Now let's click on enter space and you can mint the entry. One entry includes still a Black Star movie and postcards to Akbok Bloshi. It's a digital postcard. You need to confirm the purchase, and this time this is a paid badge, so you need to pay roughly $6 to actually get this. If you click on confirm purchase for 0.0025 ETH, then your abstract global wallet opens up and you can see this here. It's roughly $6. I'm gonna do this right now to show you how it's done, but decide for yourself if it's worth it. You can see the movie, then here you can see this, and you can send the postcard. You can place a stamp here. You can send a message. Just write something, because this is another transaction, might give you some experience points. Let's send the postcard and thank you. Your postcard has been sent. Thank you for participating in this project. And that's it. Now we go back to the rewards section. Let's close this and we're gonna hit refresh here. If this doesn't work, let's make a hard refresh. It's shift and refresh here, and then we can see this under badges. We can click here. The Black Star badge. This badge is awarded to those who mint a ticket to view still a Black Star. Now we just click on claim badge and here we go. We got this new Flash badge. That's already it for this week because I'm traveling, so I don't have much time to cover anything else, but now you know how to get this Flash badge. Thank you for watching and see you again in the next video.